In this video, you'll learn how to find Perplexity traffic in Google Analytics. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to identify the source of traffic coming from Perplexity and analyze user interactions on your website. Begin by opening Google Analytics in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home dashboard where you can view various reports and metrics related to your website's performance. Next, navigate to the property associated with your site. You can find this in the property selection drop-down located at the top of the left sidebar. Ensure you select the correct property in order to view the relevant traffic data. After selecting the property, look at the left sidebar for the menu options. Click on Acquisition to expand this section. Following that, select All Traffic from the drop-down menu. This will reveal a further set of options. Now click on Source to Send Medium. This action will take you to a report that displays the various sources of traffic to your website. Wait a moment for the data to load completely, ensuring you see all the relevant information. In the report, look for the entry labeled, quote, perplexity.ai, quote, under the source column. This entry represents traffic that originated from Perplexity. Once you locate it, click on the, quote, perplexity.ai, quote, link to delve deeper into the data. After clicking the link, you will be presented with a detailed view of sessions, users, and behavior statistics specifically from the Perplexity traffic. This information will help you analyze how users from this source interact with your site, including metrics like bounce rate and session duration. For a more granular analysis, you may choose to use segments. To create a segment isolating Perplexity traffic, click on the Add Segment option at the top of the report. From there, you can set up a new segment by defining the conditions to include only traffic from, quote, perplexity.ai. Once you've configured the segment, apply it and wait for the report to refresh. This will allow you to see the data filtered specifically for users coming from Perplexity, providing insights that may not be visible in the overall traffic report. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.